Alright, this is homework problem 3-101. It's letter B. We're supposed to find the area as a product and area as a sum. Well, the sum is easy because it's just adding up everything on the inside. So I know I have 2x squared, I have 13x, and I have 15. So the product is what's more difficult because we have to figure out what is the length and what is the width. And so you have to go by what is given to you. You know that this number on right here on the bottom times this over here has to equal 3x. You also know that the top here times this has to give you 2x squared. And these two multiplied together has to give you 10x. And these two multiplied together has to give you 15. So here's the quickest way that I could say to do this, all right? So if we just look at one row at a time, if this is an x squared, then this has to be an x times an x. And that's how we're going to get the 2x. But then one of these, this has to be 2x times x, or this one has to be 2x times x. So if we look at these two numbers right here, we can divide both of these numbers by 2. Okay, so if I put a 2 on this outside, and think about this, 2x times x would give me 2x squared. And if that's 2x, this would have to be 2x. So 2x times what gives you 10x? And so the answer is going to be 5. 2x times 5 is what's going to give you 10x. And now, once you have that part, once you get that first row, you can pretty much go with the rest of it, assuming that that part's correct, I guess. If that's x, then the bottom part has to be x. If that's 5, then this bottom has to be 5. And so now we're going to look at the bottom row. So if this is 3x right here, and this is x, x times what gives you 3x? X times 3 gives you 3x. And if that's 3, this has to be a 3 over here. And we can just check our answer. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to go back around real quick and make sure all of this is right. 5 times 2x is 10x. 2x times x, 2x squared. 3 times x is 3x. So it all works. So my product, x plus 5 times 2x plus 3.